So today we are going to see how to register custom post type, taxonomies, menu positions, less variables, and rewrite rules within an awesome enterprise environment. So let's start by checking out how do we register custom post types. So we have two approaches to register custom post types, a short approach and a long approach. Let's see the short approach. So what we have, okay, before we go there, let's see where we have so to register custom post types, we have to go to awesome core, and in the register module, so we are going to register a post type called as test works, whose label will be testing CPT. In awesome enterprise, we will have to create the cache. So we'll post the cache. So you can see testing CPT. Now, the advantage of using this approach is that just by specifying singular and plural name, you can create a post type with default parameters. There is an additional option of it where we have post type dot add dot private. So the difference between these two is that one is where post type is public, other is where post type is set, where the public variable of the post type, public value of the post type is set to be private. So the difference I can show you. If you create a post here and publish, you will not see any permalink. While if you create a post here and publish, you will see a permalink. So this is the difference between public and private post types. Now, by using post types.add, we can create a post type quickly. But if we need a better control over the post type and what properties it supports, rewrite rules, etc., then we can use the long form version of registering a post type. Just remember, uh, to register post type, taxonomies, rewrite rules, menu positions, etc., we have to use register mod. We have to write them in register module of core, awesome core. Details about awesome core is shared in another video. You should watch that video to learn more about it. Now, with this, we are now with this shortcode register.post shortcode, we are registering a post type as underscore entries. We have set public to be true, and the label is given is form entries. In this, we have specified the supports. We have set the rewrite rule, right? So let's see. So load the page, and here we have post entries, form entries. Since it is public and it supports page attributes, right? We have the permalink. The rewrite rule has set to entry type, right? So go to awesome core, register module, and we now have a better control over format. If you want to change the label, you can say form test and open this here. form tests. So first we have to go there and press the module, and this becomes form test. Cool. So this is how we've registered post types. We can, of course, since it is a WordPress, we can also register post type using CPT UI. How to register post types using CPT UI is covered in another video in our channel. Similarly, using CPT, you can do add edit taxonomies. So this is not the topic of this video. Let's see how we can register the taxonomies. So for that, the shortcode we will use is register.taxonomy. So these parameters, right? These parameters that we have typed here are nothing but the parameters specified in register underscore post underscore type function of WordPress. Similarly, these are the functions that are specified. These are the values that are specified in register taxonomy function. Now we are creating a taxonomy. Right now we are registering a taxonomy of slug entries type 2 to the post type s entries, right? And here we have form entry type taxonomy, right? So this is how we register the taxonomy. Now let's see how we register a menu position. So we already have some menu position sample here, but let's register additional menu positions. Before we do that, let's see. Appearance, menus, and these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 menu positions. Now we'll register 2 more menu positions. Let's see. And we have 2 more menu positions. These menu positions can be used in wp.menu shortcode to fetch the menu items registered at this menu position. Now let's register less variables. So basically, before we do that, register.menu location is used to register the menu positions. Now, less variables are registered in another uh, module of Awesome Core. It's called less variables. And the shortcode that we use is register.lessVariables. And we basically specify the variable with at and the value. These less variables, once registered, become available to us within our css.less shortcode. So within css.less shortcode, you should be able to use these variables. See how do we uh, register custom rewrite rules. Here's an example of registering custom rewrite rules. Again, this has to be done in register module. So all the rewrite rules also has to be registered within uh, registered modules. Once you register a rewrite rule, it will become visible here. And let's just change this to something else so that we know for sure that it was done properly. We'll just update it. Let's see. So it's not visible yet. That is because uh, for rewrite rules to become effective, we have to go to permalink, save changes. Let's see. And now we have the rewrite rule that we have registered, right? So this is how we can register custom rewrite rules using register.rewrite rule shortcode and providing regex redirect and after parameters. We can register menu location using register.menu location. We can register taxonomies using register.taxonomy, and we can register post using either post types.add or register.post. Apart from that, you can also use CPTY plugin to register post types and taxonomies. And to register meta fields, we use ACF, Advanced Custom Fields plugin. That's it for this video.